I just found the best niche for making money online from YouTube in 2025, and today I'm going to expose the entire thing for free. This YouTube channel has made over $80,000 in just 1 month. Every single one of their videos get thousands and even millions of views, and he gained over 1 million subscribers with just 78 videos. But before I show you how easy this is to copy the same strategy, let me prove the income to you. To do this, we can come over to this site, paste the channel domain and verify that this channel is in fact monetized. Since their content is in educational and political niche, so we can estimate an average RPM of $6. So this channel has already 117 million views, so we can estimate that they have made over $700,000 with just 70 videos. What's even more shocking is there are many other channels in the same niche also making thousands of dollars, and these channels also breaking the YouTube algorithm, which means if you started now, you'll be the next. But I know what you are thinking right now. How do I get in on this? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how easy this is to make videos like this one. So make sure to stick around until the end, because in this video, I'm going to show you the exact formula to copy the same strategy which many of the other channels in the same niche using right now. But first of all, we have to check out this channel's videos so we can check what's really going on in all of these videos.
Mossdale Cave Incident. It was June 24th, 1967, and 10 cavers were about to enter Mossdale Cavern to help clear some of the deeper passages and map them out.
This video is extremely very simple. Then you think that why most of the people watching these type of videos? So let me answer this question. Let's check the comments of this video. Look, they have 5,000 comments because not every person want high pace and full-fledged editing. In my opinion, it also helps that this video is talking about science. It's a trendy topic and everyone loves giving their opinions on it. So the strategy which I'm going to use right now is actually very simple. I just create a script, voiceover, editing, graphics. No, this is actually very simple. Just let's get to the process. So to create videos just like this channel, we have to create a script. So to generate a script, we have to come over to ChatGPT. And don't worry, this isn't going to be a waste of time. So I won't do much hard work. So I came up with an easy way, which is YouTube. After going to YouTube, we just have to find a video that related to our topic. After searching on the search bar, we will find the best and most trending videos on this topic and the script which will look engaging. After copying this link, we have to go to YouTubetranscript.com. After that, we have to paste our link here. Paste, we will get this script. We have to copy that script from YouTubetranscript.com so that ChatGPT can rewrite this script. But now we are not going to generate a script because we have already get a script. But because of copyright laws and not be considered as copycat, we just have to rewrite this script. Use the same prompt as I'm using right now, and now our script is ready. Next, we are going to get the voiceover. If you don't want to sound like someone else, just use your own voiceover, like I do in my channel. But if you don't want to use your own voiceover, you can use AI. I think there is a free alternate for this also, which is CapCut. And there is an additional message for you guys. Basically, when I check CapCut PC version, it says that you have to get the pro version. But when I check online, it says that you can generate free voiceover. If you don't have CapCut Pro, then you definitely check the online version because it's free of cost and you are getting the same voices and without any further cost. So open CapCut in your PC. So to create an AI voice to narrate all of these sentences, first create a text layer. As the same as I'm doing, there are many paid and free voices as well. So you have to just check out for which is suitable for you. Like in my case, this one is very suitable for my channel. So now go back to ChatGPT and copy one paragraph from here. And remember one more thing, just try to do one paragraph per text layer because there is a limit in generating AI voice, like it's depend on the sentences and words. Because many times I noticed that if you copy long and big paragraphs, it's end up saying that you have reached your limit. And if it does, it sound to be like so weird. So you have to do one paragraph at a time and get it generated. Now just click on the text, paste the next text here and select text to speech and generate. And in the same way, you have to generate the entire script. Once you have done the voiceover, now the time comes for the visuals and graphics. If you haven't any idea about editing, there is a tool for you that you can use to generate the same videos like this YouTube channel. Unlike the Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects, which charge you a lot of money and just end up with a plain software, not any other AI features.
So why you edit your own videos on these softwares?
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Once you have edited and created the full audio, for visual, you are going to be mind blown that how easy this is to do. All you need is just a Canva account. From the home screen, just click New Design and select a presentation. Now we just need to add a title slide for each of the points that ChatGPT gives us by selecting the text and then adding the title. Just like that original example video, we are going to add a few visual representations for each of the talking points. To do this, just come into the elements and look for the cool graphics that fits the video like these. One secret hack that I have learned in all of these videos that works really well is that you have to select the colorful and eye-catching graphics, and the audience can feel connected from this. Once you have prepared your slides, now we need to download these slides and drag them to the audio and sync them so that it makes sense. Now we just have to add music and sound effects, and this is how it's turned out.
This is the fatal breakdown of the Nutty Putty Cave tragedy. When families gather for the holidays, it's a time for bonding, laughter, and making unforgettable memories. For the Jones family, Thanksgiving was meant to be just that, an adventure together.
If you really like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video so that many of you can start your own YouTube business. And what's your opinion about my face cam video? Tell me in the comments. This is my first time, so do comment right now.